Understanding no flash photography. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're tackling a phrase you might encounter in museums, galleries, or concerts. No flash photography. This simple phrase carries specific instructions and reasons behind it, which we'll explore in this video. Stay tuned to understand not just what it means, but why it's important. No flash photography is a straightforward directive made up of three key components. No, this word is a direct prohibition or denial. It's used to make it clear that what follows is not allowed. Flash, referring to the sudden burst of light from a camera or phone used to illuminate a scene or subject in low light conditions. Photography, the act of taking pictures or photographs, either as a hobby or a professional activity. Putting it all together, no flash photography explicitly instructs us not to use the flash function on our cameras or phones when taking pictures in a specific setting. You might wonder why such a rule exists. There are several compelling reasons. Protection of artifacts. In museums and galleries, flash photography can potentially harm paintings and artifacts. The intense light can lead to fading and deterioration over time. Preservation of atmosphere. In places like aquariums or concerts, flash photography can disrupt the experience for others, distract performers, or stress animals. Safety concerns. In some situations, sudden flashes of light can pose a safety risk, disorienting people or causing temporary blindness. This rule isn't about spoiling fun but preserving and respecting the environment and the experience of everyone involved. Respecting the no flash photography rule is simple and comes down to adjusting how we take pictures. Turn off flash before snapping a photo. Ensure your camera's flash setting is turned off. Most devices make this an easy option to select. Use available light. Learn to make the most of the natural or ambient light available in the setting for your photographs. Ask for permission. When in doubt, it's always best to ask staff or check posted signs for photography policies. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and importance of the phrase, no flash photography. Remember, it's all about showing respect for the environment, the art, and the experience of others around you. Happy photographing, but remember to do so flash-free. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.